Sensitive skin is incredibly common. Greater than 50% of all men have self-reported that they themselves have sensitive skin. Let me share something with you. I also have sensitive skin. Sensitive skin happens after shaving and as a direct result of shaving. In particular, it can range from redness, irritation, and in more extreme cases, razor bumps. A variety of conditions can make sensitive skin worse. Specifically, different ingredients in topicals such as lotions or fragrances, colognes, medications, pre-existing conditions, sometimes putting a little bit too much pressure while shaving, or the number of strokes while shaving can make sensitive skin worse. The SkinGuard razor is great because it's specifically designed and tested for men with sensitive skin. The Gillette SkinGuard razor has 2 blades specifically placed to reduce tug and pull on the hairs, and also added a unique skin guard to help enhance the shaving experience and allow for us to have a close yet comfortable shave as often as we would like. No matter what your skin or beard type, in my opinion, every man deserves to get the best shave for their skin. Click here to learn more about sensitive skin.